What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So my people, remember the other day I did cover a story, right? About an incident that took place down in Westmoreland where a businessman was cut down inside his business, people. You understand? Alongside two other persons who also get shot and thing. Unfortunately, the businessman did pass away and thing, people. And in the whole process, people, at the time, you know what I mean, them say, man, come in, man, demand money and never get money and thing, and man, fire shot and thing and run, gone and something. Well, people, now, they said they have a suspect in custody, and this suspect has been charged with the murder and attempted murder of also the two other persons. So now that I have this information, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to just read it, you understand, so you can get an understanding of what NEWLINK really is saying or talking about if you never watched the previous blog that I've done. Okay. Suspect charged with businessman's murder and more in Westmoreland. Detectives from the Westmoreland Police Division have charged a man with the murder of a businessman in the parish on Sunday, October 4. The accused is 26-year-old Ryan Myrie, otherwise called Old Boy, of Bay Road, Little London, in the parish. He has been booked for murder, 3 counts of shooting with intent, along with illegal possession of firearm and illegal possession of ammunition. The deceased is 58-year-old Devon Clark, otherwise called Babsy, a businessman of Darliston in Westmoreland. Reports are that at about 2:30 p.m. last Sunday, Myrie, armed with a gun, allegedly pounced upon Clark at his business place and demanded money. When the demand was not met, Myrie reportedly shot the businessman several times, resulting in his death. A tussle reportedly ensued and Myrie was shot in his abdomen. Myrie was also reportedly fired several shots while escaping, resulting in the injury of 3 other persons. A report was made to the police and Myrie was subsequently arrested and placed on an identification parade later in the week and was pointed out. He was charged on Wednesday following an interview in the presence of his attorney. A date for his appearance in court is being finalized by the police. Another man suspected to have been Myrie's accomplice is currently being sought by the police. Jano viewers and subscribers. So, big up to the police them in this result, right? And yeah, they have their suspect. They have him get shot in the abdomen, you know. Yeah, man, he get shot. So, basically, him have to seek treatment for the shot to him get. You understand? Them point him out. So, him charge, you know what I mean? For the murder, yeah, man. So, dog name for him supper. You get me? 26-year-old boy, yeah, man. Waste of time. You get me? Walking around with their guns, going around shooting people, robbing people, demanding money. You understand? No, waste of time that, man. You get me? I say, how much money could I get out of one local shop in a Darliston? How much money could I get so in one local shop at Darliston? That's what I'm saying, in one local man place. You get me? Them a type of thief of people. Which thief and not thief not really, but what I say, since them wanna we torment all them place and them thing the people. Torture them forget, man. Not joke thing, man. A straight attack, man. Is it? Straight attack. Straight attack. Ask the money and him not get money. And do a fire. Several shot at the man. Run out the next man did the people. With them did say, man, want security. Man beat it. One lick him in them abdomen as what them say. Don't it? Sadly, 2 other person get shot what them say. You know what I mean? Them good still. But all me can say, people, big up to the police them for them action upon this one, man. You get me? I say, I'm sorry say when them get the knock. Never dey on ice now because yo, I be a foolish system I keep up. See? Can't a girl and a deal with them things so. Not joke thing. I'm tell us the people them done pan the west a ball out. Them a cry out because them a say, yo, the man where them kill people was a real man, was a good man, was a general. No joke thing about it. But you don't know a thing of yours and subscribers, you know. Just sees and he knows everything. You see every wicked man, time will tell. Time is the master. Peace out in our viewers and subscribers. You don't know the attacking boss, man. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now. Hit up that notification bell so when new link drop the video, them bang, you get them. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, NEWLINK Production. Peace, love, respect. Be good, be great, and be safe out there. I'm out.